In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the seal on your Bosch washing machine. So what you're going to need is a Torx 20-bit, which is that. Kind of looks like this bit, because you need to remove 3 screws. Get that into focus. Anyway, Torx 20-bit to take off 3 screws, and you're going to need a seal. I'm going to put the link in the description below, and a flat screwdriver. Now, you don't need to open the whole machine. You only need to take off 3 screws. 1 near the soap drawer and 2 at the bottom. So I'll show you where it is. So you need to take off, oops, there's a screw here. Most of the times that's rusted, so just be careful you really got that in, and then you gun it out. That's it, 1 out, 2 to go. Then at the bottom, right here, there is 1 screw. Now, right, come on here. There you go. Here's out. And to take off the bit at the bottom is a bit of a task. You need to push it to the right. Push it to the right gently. And then, because there's 4 tabs there, it should come out. There we go. That's out. So I'm just going to put this thing on its side so you can see the screws that I'm talking about. So what you want to do is take out there's 2 screws at the bottom, 1 on the left and 1 on the right. So you want to take those off so you can access. For this model there's 4, but on most ones there is only 2. So let's do that and see how we go. All right. Now that you've got all screws out, pull the machine down. Okay. So you got the 1 screw at the top near the soap drawer, and then 2 at the bottom there near those energy stickers. So now you need to open the door and take out the ring that's holding the seal. So, your flat screwdriver, look for the spot where the spring sits and just pry it out. So you're looking for that bit, pry it out. Then that's your old seal. Alright, so to take out, what we want to do now is we want to take out this cover. So we're going to need to pull it at the bottom and then pull it down at the top. Oh, yeah. Because there's these that are holding it at the top, and at the bottom there's just things that go in there. Okay. Alright, now I need to remove the connecting pipe. Now there is another retaining spring on the inside that you need to press in again, pull it out, and you got him out. Then you need to pull out the old seal, and we got a new one in here. So when putting it in, this edge goes in that edge there. It's pretty self-explanatory. So just put it in there. Get him in there. Make sure that it's all the way home, otherwise it's gonna leak, and then you'll need to repeat the whole process. So remember to put this pipe back in, goes in the top, it just gently goes in there. Oh, my bad. Actually, before we do that, we need to put back the retaining spring for the inside. This is the fun part. So you put a little bit over first. Yep, just use your fingers. Use your fingers. I'm using my fingers. Yep, using my fingers. Whoa. I'll try to wrap it around there. There is a proper tool you can use for this, but you can always start again. Use your fingers. Yeah, just a big spring. Put it back into place. And put the pipe back in. Put it until it's almost all the way down. Get putting it in. Yeah. Looks about right. Now, we're gonna put this panel back on. Make sure you don't forget to put back the door switch. Connect it back. Simple as that. Then and putting it back, you just line up the top holes where it connects and you push it up, and at the bottom you push it in. Okay, just like that. Then time to put back our screws. We're almost done. Then remember to put back the screw that goes near the soap drawer there. That's in. Then put in the retaining clip for the outside. So, same thing as you did inside. Put the seal lip over the metal lip of the outer case of the washing machine. Just slots in. Take your time. Patience is the name of the game. We are almost there. All right, it's in. Now, retaining clip. Let's put him back in. Bit of a struggle, but I get it. If you can, use your screwdriver for the last bit. Then make sure that it's all the way in. Otherwise, it'll spring out. It is a spring after all. And put back the soap drawer. And we got our bottom plate, kicker plate. Then now all we need is another screw. All right. So, put back the screw, hold that in, put it back, and that is it, ladies and gentlemen. We've got our nice looking seal now. It's not that hard, as you can see now. Nice seal, so it won't be leaking down there. So if you have a problem with your washing machine leaking, that's what you need to change. If you need any help, just comment in the comment section and I'll give you a hand. Cheers, till next time.